Craving that rich, creamy beef stroganoff, but don't want to rely on store-bought packets? This Beef Stroganoff Seasoning mix brings you that same comforting flavor, made right at home with simple pantry ingredients. Full recipe is in the description whenever you're ready to make it. Start with 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to build that creamy base. Then add 1 tablespoon of milk powder, along with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance richness and flavor. Next, mix in 2 teaspoons of garlic powder together with 2 teaspoons of onion powder for that classic savory depth. Now add 1 teaspoon of beef bouillon powder and half a teaspoon of ground black pepper to bring in that bold, meaty taste. And finally, finish with half a teaspoon of dried parsley and a 1/4 teaspoon of dried thyme for a gentle, herby touch. Now give everything a really good mix until the blend looks even, smooth, and fully combined. If you love easy comfort food like this, save it so you don't lose it, give it a quick like, and share it with someone who needs this shortcut. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon so you never miss a new recipe. And your Beef Stroganoff Seasoning mix is ready to go. This makes about half a cup, perfect for multiple batches. Just stir it into cooked beef with water or milk to create a rich, creamy sauce that comes together in minutes. If you have any leftover seasoning, you can simply store it in an airtight container in a cool, dry place, and it'll stay fresh and ready to use for up to 3 months. Next time you're in the mood for something creamy and comforting, this one's ready for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon with another recipe worth trying.